Ever get that frustrating call failed message on your iPhone, leaving you disconnected and annoyed? Don't worry. We'll get your calls working again with these simple troubleshooting steps. First, let's reset your cellular connection. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open Control Center. Tap the airplane icon to turn it on. Wait about 15 seconds, and then tap it again to turn it off. This can often refresh your network signal. Next, ensure your cellular data is actually enabled. Go into your iPhone settings app, then tap on Cellular. Make sure the cellular data toggle is switched on. Still no luck? Let's try a manual network selection in the same cellular settings. Tap on Network Selection, turn off Automatic, and your iPhone will scan for available networks. Select your carrier from the list. If the issue persists, it might be a software glitch. We're going to reset your network settings, which won't erase your personal data. Go to Settings, then General, scroll all the way down to Transfer or Reset iPhone, and tap Reset, then select Reset Network Settings. A common culprit can be the SIM card itself. Power off your iPhone completely using a SIM ejector tool or a small paperclip. Gently push the small hole on the SIM tray to pop it out. Carefully remove the SIM card, check for any visible damage or debris, and then reinsert it securely. Once your SIM card is back in and your phone is powered on, try making a call. If you're still experiencing call failed after these steps, it might be time to contact your carrier or Apple support for further assistance.